Hello. So I've been learning how to fly quadcopters and DJI drones and stuff are really cool. But I really wanted. I've seen these guys and women flying racing drones, and I always thought they were amazing. It reminded me of the scene in Star Wars where they're flying through with the, I don't know, they're almost like motorcycles, but they fly through the woods. And I wanted to do that, and so I've been practicing. And I use a simulator, and the simulator that I really like is called LiftOff, and I just hit below 2 minutes on my the easiest race, but I'm pretty proud, so I wanted to share it with you. So check it out. All right, so this is, let me show you. This is liftoff, and you can choose your drones and all that stuff. I recorded my last race, and I am so excited about it. I did crash once, but here, check it out. So I'm going to load it. It nicely records everything, and then you can go back and watch it, which is pretty cool. And I'm going to choose my 1 minute 47 second. Very cool. I'm excited about it. There's some pilots out there that I'm sure do it in half the time. But I'm pretty proud with my progress. Now I started on a different one, but this one is just, it's so nicely done because it tracks your lap time. And so you can really see your progress. Now I see my progress. What I'm using my Tyrannus controller to do this. And I'm flying in something called mode 2 in acro mode. And what that means is this one is throttle. So if I want to go faster or slower, but that also brings me up and down depending on my angle. This one rotates me. This one would lean me forwards, backwards, leans me to the right, leans me to the left. And it's just fine little controls. And you see it down at the bottom. Down at the bottom, you can see where my sticks are and everything. You can see I have the throttle pretty high. You can change your camera angles. And my camera angle for this race, I started off at 15 degrees when I originally started learning. And I learned that on a simulator called Velocidrone. I slowly moved up my angle to 25, and then I moved it to 30, and I didn't understand why I was doing such a bad job on my races. I kept just missing. I kept going too high or too low, and I was having too much trouble controlling it. And so then I decided, well, I'll move back to the easiest. This is supposedly the easiest race, and I will. And I'll move it up to 35 degrees, and that's where I'm at now. Eventually, I'd like to move it up even higher. But I do have, and I'm not going to race this one, I don't think, but I got a new quadcopter. Very excited about it. And I'll be able to fly this way. Now, I'm planning on flying more freestyle, but to share it with you guys outside, I'm supposed to have a commercial pilot's license. So I'll be working on that. It's a unmanned aircraft commercial pilot's license. So I hope you enjoyed it. I know I talked a lot. Maybe go back and watch it again. So yeah, that's Velocidrone, and that is my race. See ya.